I tried a lot of trimmers this year, but which ones are the best going into 2026? I got a list for y'all. What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm sure you already seen my clipper video. Some of y'all gonna like it, some of y'all won't. But now I wanna share with y'all my top trimmer list going into 2026. I haven't tried as many trimmers as I'd like to, but I've tried enough to give you some good options to take into 2026. Let's get into this list. Trimmer number 5. We're gonna start at the top of the list. Before we get started, I want y'all to understand this is my opinion. This is based off of my preferences. So keep that in mind while you watch these videos. But number 5, we're gonna go with the Coco trimmer. This trimmer is a full metal body trimmer. This is one of the most talked about trimmers to come out this year. One of the reasons is because it has a digital gap blade. Now I will say this digital gap blade is sharp. Out of the box, it's a little too sharp for me, which is why I have it at number 5. This trimmer goes for $175 on the Coco website. You got a runtime of 3 hours. There is a charging dock for this trimmer, but it also has USB-C charging. And when's the last time you seen a clipper with a hook on the bottom? You can hang this upside down on a hook or however you store your clippers if need be. Now you don't have a battery indicator on here necessarily, but you do have a light on here that starts blinking when the battery level is low. As far as the body, you do have a thumb indent right here for your thumb, whether you want to ball it out. It also doesn't feel bad in hand when you're lining someone up. Now there are no finger grooves in the back. It is a full metal body, but it still does feel great in your hand. It's pretty lightweight and it's not too loud for a trimmer at all. This trimmer has 7,200 RPM. Sound familiar, of course. A lot of my clippers had that same amount of RPM. Now let's get to the next trimmer on this list. Trimmer number 4 on the list. Now I'm biased. This brand will probably always be my go-to when it comes to trimmers. We have the Wahl A-line. I'm only using this trimmer to line people up with. Somehow I always get the blade perfectly set to where it hits, no matter what. This is a detailer blade I have on here that fits perfectly, but stock it comes with the smaller blade. Now the smaller blade I use for kids. The detailer blade I use for lineups for everyone else. This trimmer I only use to line people up. Keep that in mind. The comfort of this trimmer in hand is next level. I think this is the most slept on trimmer in the industry. It doesn't have a USB-C. A lot of people say it lacks power. When I'm lining people up, I don't need a crazy amount of power. Now the Wahl A-line I got on sale on Black Friday. It was only $60 on Pro Styling Tools website, which is why I have 2. But on Wahl's website, they do go for $120. This trimmer has 7,000 RPM. This trimmer doesn't come with a dock, but if you have the high-vis trimmer, it fits right on that dock. It has the same charging cord and everything. This trimmer has 3 hours of runtime, which works for me. I can use this all day with that 3 hours. Like I said, a detailer blade will always be my go-to. It's what I'm most comfortable with. That's my preference. Now, number 3 on this list, another great trimmer. This is the Silver Surfer. Why you think it's so hyped up? We got the Wahl high-vis trimmer. If you know, you know. Look at the blade, bro. This blade is nice. It's a nice wide blade, and I've compared it. It's just as wide as the detailer blade. 7,200 RPM. That's all I need from a trimmer. I don't need too much more than that. These are fire for lineups. They take down bulk really well. If you want to get the one for bulk, I would get the Nightshade for bulk and use these for lineups. This trimmer took me some time to get used to it because it's not your average trimmer. It feels a little weird in your hands. It takes you some minutes to get used to, but once you're used to it, it's amazing. On the bottom here, we got USB-C, and this is obviously a full metal body. It's not too heavy at all. I love the design on it. It has the 3 dots in the front for the indicator to show you where your battery is. You got your power button on the side. This trimmer goes for about $175, but I'm sure you can find a website to where you can get it for less. That's why this is number 3 on my list. Now let's talk about the next trimmer on the list. The next trimmer on this list was something I was late to. I just picked it up recently, but I'm happy I did because this trimmer is something special. This is my very first Stylecraft trimmer, and it's only right that it's the Saber 2. This is the precision one, but I did switch the blade to the one blade. 7,500 RPM, which is probably the most on this list if I'm not mistaken. You got a 4-hour runtime. Full metal body, of course. One thing I will say, instead of USB-C, it has a micro USB on the back, which doesn't make or break this trimmer for me. This trimmer comes with a dock, and when you press the power button, it lights up. It's a pretty quiet trimmer. This blade cuts through anything. I love this trimmer blade. One thing I will say, I do wish it had some more grooves in the back for your hands or a thumbprint in the front, but it still feels good in your hand. This trimmer comes in gold, black, and white. I know a lot of y'all got this as #1 on y'all list. Like I said, this is my first Stylecraft trimmer, and I am enjoying it a lot. Now let's get to #1 on the list. I know y'all tired of waiting. The #1 trimmer on this list is special. We got a completely brand new design, something we've never seen before. And the attention to detail makes it that much better as well. The #1 trimmer going into 2026 for me is the Barber's Tomb 45 trimmer. How could you not have it as #1? Now everybody says this blade is backwards. Maybe it's forward. Look at this design. How could you go wrong? The matte black. This has the new Barber's Tomb 45 MIM blade on it. You got the green cutting blade. Out of all the trimmers that I have, this is the only one where the top comes off, which makes it that much easier to clean. You got your 2 buttons. You press them both together, it tells you how much battery you got left. You got an LCD screen that lights up. That's fire. No trimmer on this list has an LCD screen. No trimmer that I've seen has an LCD screen, to be honest. This trimmer has the DS1 dual speed motor in it, straight from Barber's. It has 2 speeds. The low speed is 6,800 RPM. The high speed is 7,500 RPM, just like the clipper. It has a reverse design, so when it lays down, the blade is in the back facing down instead of facing up like your traditional trimmers. But when you go to line someone up, you put your thumb right here and it's easy to line someone up. One thing I gotta get used to is balding out with this trimmer because it does feel a little weird. But the design is genius. On the bottom, you got the port for the cord and then you got a USB-C. This trimmer comes with a charging pad, but you can get a dock for this trimmer just like the clipper. The grip right here, you got the T45 all over, so it feels amazing in hand. That is a rubber grip. When you hold it, it just feels comfortable. Not many clippers feel this comfortable in my hand. And you got the all new blade design, which is super nice. The runtime for this trimmer is about 3 hours, which by the list, I'm pretty sure that's standard now. So I just want to shout out Tomb 45 and Barber's for this collab. This is my #1 trimmer going into 2026. Now it's time to wrap up this video. It's getting a little late. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think of my list, and let me know what your list is. Again, this is my opinion. This is my preference. Don't be offended, y'all. Don't take the internet so serious. I'll go by the name of Cuts By Cruze, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.